Understanding Geometry Concepts, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore geometry concepts. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about mathematics, understanding these concepts is essential. Let's dive in and make geometry easy and fun to learn. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with shapes, sizes, and the properties of space. It originated from the Greek words geo, meaning earth, and metron, meaning measurement. Geometry helps us understand the world around us, from simple shapes to complex structures in architecture and nature. Let's start with the basics. There are several shapes in geometry, but the most common are 1. Circles, round shapes with no corners. 2. Triangles, shapes with 3 sides and 3 angles. 3. Squares and rectangles, 4-sided shapes, with squares having equal sides. 4. Polygons, shapes with many sides, like pentagons, 5 sides, and hexagons, 6 sides. Understanding these shapes is the foundation of geometry. Angles are a fundamental aspect of geometry. They are formed where 2 lines meet. Here are some key types. 1. Acute angles, less than 90 degrees. 2. Right angles, exactly 90 degrees, like the corner of a square. 3. Obtuse angles, more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. 4. Straight angles, exactly 180 degrees, forming a straight line. Angles help in understanding the properties of shapes and are crucial in construction and design. Geometry isn't just for textbooks, it's everywhere in our daily lives. For instance, architecture, buildings and bridges use geometric principles for design and stability. Art, many artists use geometric shapes and patterns in their work. Nature, from the symmetry in leaves to the spiral patterns of galaxies, geometry is a part of the natural world. Recognizing these applications makes geometry more interesting and relevant. Thank you for joining us in exploring geometry concepts. Remember, geometry is not just about numbers and shapes. It's a way of understanding the world around us. Keep practicing, and soon you'll see geometry in everything. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. See you in our next lesson.